I may have just found the best drugstore foundation that I bet you haven't tried. I'm talking about the CoverGirl TruBlend Comfort Matte Foundation, and it is also transfer resistant. So let me show you how this goes on, especially on a brown skin tone. I'm telling you guys, this is the only foundation that doesn't settle in the creases or my laugh lines. And that's saying a lot because I haven't found any drugstore foundation that can actually do that. This foundation blends in so beautifully, and it says it's a matte finish, but I would say it's more of a skin like natural finish. It's not too matte, but it's also not too glowy. As you can see, the undertones are perfect for a brown skin tone. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup and check back with you in 8 hours to see how the foundation holds up. So it's been about 8 hours. My lashes are kind of coming off in the corners, but my foundation, there are no creases. It stayed on perfectly just as it was in the morning. Honestly, you guys need to get it.